In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Google Antigravity token usage. If you rely on Antigravity's models, tracking token usage is essential for staying within quotas and understanding the cost of your workloads. Tokens are simply the units that measure how much model processing you've used. More complex or longer prompts generally consume more tokens. Let's open the dashboard and locate the usage details together. Start by opening Antigravity in your browser and signing into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the top right of the interface. You'll see the settings option there, typically represented by a gear icon or a clearly labeled button. Click it to open your account configuration area. This is where the platform keeps the controls for account preferences, permissions, and usage visibility. Inside the settings area, find and select the option labeled Open Anti-Gravity User Settings. This launches a focus panel for your user account, which is the right place to view details tied directly to your plan and usage. Give the page a moment to load. Some usage widgets populate after a quick refresh. Next, navigate to Models. This section lists the models available to you and acts as the central place to compare capabilities across them. It's also where Antigravity surfaces usage details per model, so you can quickly identify which model is consuming the most tokens and whether your workloads align with your budget or quota. To see token usage, hover your mouse over a model's name or card in the Models section. After a brief pause, a small tooltip or overlay appears with your token usage details for that specific model. Depending on your plan and interface version, this may show total tokens used, remaining tokens, or a breakdown such as tokens per generation. Move your cursor carefully across the list to check multiple models and hover long enough for the tooltip to display clearly. On a touch device, a tap and hold gesture can reveal the same information. As you review the numbers, keep an eye on patterns. If one model consistently uses more tokens for similar tasks, consider whether a lighter model still meets your quality needs. It can be helpful to note your typical prompts and compare usage across a few models to find the best balance between performance and efficiency. That's all there is to it. Open Antigravity, jump into Settings, enter your user settings, head to Models, and hover to reveal token usage. With this quick check, you'll always know where your tokens are going and can plan your work with confidence.